Please do not stop on the track unless there is an emergency. Always maintain 80 feet from the person in front of you. We want you to go fast, but we want you to have fun. At the end of the ride, there is a sign that asks you to slow down. We mean just that. Do not stop on the track. We will have someone help you safely get out of your car and back onto the platform. If we all understand our rules, can we get an oh yeah? Oh yeah. I can't hear you up top. Can I get an oh yeah? Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Oh yeah.
Yes. Thank you. Ôi.
Can't get enough.
Marker for no mas.
These folks are from Germany. Hold it, it's break.
Checking out our new ride.
Are you from Germany?
Yes, of course.
Oh, really? Now I hear it. Okay. I know not to get behind you or in front of you on the highway. Pull your brake for me, speed demon. Okay, Dale Earnhardt Jr. Come on up here, man. We'll get you out.